Welcome to Mtaita Tech channel, where we're turning beginner into real developers. If you are new here, this is a place where you learn by building real projects step by steps. In today's videos, we are going to building your very first website using HTML step by step. No confusion, no advanced theories, just practical learning. Just open any text editor like Notepad or Visual Codes and create. Just open a Visual Code. Just wait. After open it, make sure that you have already created the folder in your desktop and then rename it as HTML. After creating that folder, you need to navigate in your Visual Code text editor and then go into the file, then click open folder. Navigate going to desktop and then choose HTML folder. Close this and then close this. After this, you need to click the folder name and then create a new file and then rename it as index.html. Rename it as index.html. Yes. The basic structure of any HTML, starting with you just click your keyboard in a shift, then press the exclamation mark and then press enter. In any HTML language having the skeleton like this, this is a basic structure of HTML website. So you can navigate into your folder and then just click this index.html. And you can see that is open and is empty content. So you can click the window icon and then right arrow, then click a Visual Code, and here we just split a screen into equal parts. So what is a doc type? A doc type defines the HTML5. Here is a root of HTML and then contain a head tag that contain settings. Those settings is like a name of that page, which is renamed at center of the title. And if you find this document name, you will be find at the top of your browser in title bar here. So the body contains the visible content. So in here boards, all the content must be inside the body. But in this above content must be showing on a title bar. So the body contains the visible content. So I can go inside in a body and then add some visible content. I'm just using the head one and then close that tag. And inside the head, I'm just adding the visible content. Welcome to my website. Okay. And here you just click Ctrl plus R, Ctrl plus S to save, and then Ctrl plus R on your browser or refresh here, and then the visible content will just see it immediately. So if you need to add the auto save, means to avoid click Ctrl plus S, you just go in your file, click Ctrl B to open it, then you just go to file and then navigate into auto save, then check it. After here, I'm clicking Ctrl B in order to see very well. I'm just adding another visible content, which is paragraph. This is my first web page. Okay. In head is a main heading, but paragraph is a paragraph for texting, means if you just need to explain some story, you just need to add within a paragraph. Yeah, but when I'm needed to introduce that paragraph, I'm needed to using the heading. So when I'm navigating into my browser and then refresh again, I will get a new visible content. So I can add another visible content by using another edit tool, and then Mtaita developer, and then I adding another paragraph. I'm learning web developer. Okay, sorry. Okay, I need to remove this immediately. And I don't know what is that. Okay, sorry. Just proceeding. I'm learning a web development. Okay, then navigate to your browser and refresh it. and you will get another new content. So I need to add another link, a then href. Then you can place here some content, then close, then write this, click here to learn more. Okay, this is a link that connects the page across to the internet. So HTML is not about the design, it's about the structure. So any web developer must starting with knowing actually what is HTML, and today video I'm showing the skeleton of the HTML document. So the HTML is starting here. In previous, I'm already saying what it is, which stands for hypertext markup language. Means is a language for making structure of the web page, but is differ from other language like programming language, which programming language is to add function for that HTML document. But in HTML, we just structuring the web how it's look. So in HTML contains a lot of tags, but in today's video I'm just showing how to structure your HTML and the look of the structure of the HTML. So if you are enjoying this lesson, subscribe to Mtaita Tech. Next we'll learn more about the HTML tags used in web development. So thanks for listening.